There was once a boy named Hiro who lived with his blind grandmother, Akiko. Every evening, they sat together as the breeze danced through the bamboo forest. One day, Hiro asked, "Grandmother, if you could see again, what would you want to see first?" "The sound of the wind," Akiko replied with a soft smile. Her words puzzled Hiro, but his love for her stirred him up to do something. He had heard of a legendary lantern said to grant miracles hidden atop the tallest mountain. "I will find it and bring back your sight," he promised. Akiko placed a gentle hand on his. "Climb if you must, but remember, what you seek may not be where you think." Carrying only a small pouch of rice and a flask of water, Hiro began his journey. As he set out on the journey, Hiro met an old man sitting by a stream, fishing with an empty hook. "Why do you fish with no bait?" Hiro asked. The old man smiled. "The fish will come when they're ready. What is the rush?" Hiro frowned. "I'd like to see how that works, but I have to find the lantern before it's too late." The old man chuckled. "The mountain waits, young one. Walk too fast, and you'll miss the way." The words lingered in Hiro's mind as he slowed his steps, noticing the soft rustle of leaves and the coolness of the air for the first time. As Hiro began climbing the mountain, the path became rocky and the wind harsher. He slipped, spilling some of his rice. Frustrated, he crouched to gather it when a monk appeared from the mist. "Why do you cling to what is lost?" the monk asked. "It is all I have," Hiro replied. The monk smiled gently. "What is gone cannot return, but your hands are now free to carry what comes next." Hiro stood, leaving the spilled grains behind. His pack was lighter. Near the summit, Hiro found a lone tree growing on a rocky ledge. Beneath it sat a young woman playing a bamboo flute. The melody was simple but beautiful. "Why do you play here, all alone?" Hiro asked. "Why do you climb?" she countered. "To find the lantern and help my grandmother see again," Hiro replied. The woman nodded. "And yet here you are, missing the sunrise behind you." Hiro turned to see the sky painted in golden hues, the valley below glowing in the light. His breath caught. "It's beautiful," he whispered. She smiled. "Each step has its own beauty if only we see it." When Hiro reached the peak, his heart pounded with anticipation. But there was no lantern, only the endless horizon and the sun rising over the world. Exhausted and defeated, he fell to his knees. "I failed her," he murmured. The monk from earlier appeared again, sitting beside him. "Why do you believe you failed?" "I climbed all this way and there's nothing here. I couldn't bring back her sight." The monk pointed to Hiro's chest. "What you sought would never here. The light you hoped to find has been within you all along." Hiro's eyes filled with tears as he looked out at the world below. When Hiro returned home, he told Akiko of his climb, the people he met, and the beauty he saw. She smiled, her blind eyes glowing with warmth. "The sound of the wind tells me you found the lantern," she said softly. "What do you mean?" Hiro asked, confused. "The lantern was always within you, but it was suppressed by all the worries and sadness that you feel for me," Akiko began. "The wind was the joy in your voice. When you did not have all these worries wear you down. All I wanted was for you to let go of the worries, create your own path and experiences, make your own mistakes and learn from them. Only then would your light shine forth, and that light is my healing."